This product takes you through the stepwise procedure for the installation of an elevator. Here, you will learn about the installation of different components like C-brackets, guide rail, and their alignment, information about the installation of outer cabinet of an elevator car, installation of components on the car top. This product demonstrates installation of electrical wiring of the elevator. You will learn about the various operational machine and measuring instrument used while installation. You will understand about safety precautions to be taken. So enhance your technical skills based on prior learning of elevator installer by learning at your own comfort through real-life simulations.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here is a new video for you. In today's video, I am going to explain different types of lifts and their workings. So watch the video till the end and subscribe the channel if you are watching this for first time. So broadly, there are two different types of lifts. One is hydraulic and another is traction. Hydraulic, which is driven by piston and pump and has two different types: chained hydraulic lifts and roped hydraulic lifts, which I will explain as the video progresses. And another is traction, which is driven by motors, which could be with machine room or without machine room. Let's see the mechanism of chained hydraulic lift and how it works. These type of lifts are used for high capacity, and their major applications are for mid-rise buildings like commercial and residential complexes. Here you could see the lift is going down. Now we will see step by step how the mechanism works. Let's see the side section to understand the whole mechanism. You could see the hydraulic jack resides in the hoistway between the rails. As the pump pushes the oil, the jack moves upward and so as the cabin. There are two pulleys attached to the top of the jack. Two chains tie together the whole system. One end is attached to the platform, the other end is tied to the fixed point at the base of the rails. The controller and hydraulic pump reside just nearer to the rails as well. In this way, with the help of pulleys, the rope moves. As the jack lowers down, the cabin moves downward. As it moves up, the cabin moves up. And likewise, the mechanism works. Now we will see the mechanism and working of roped hydraulic lift. Now let's see the side section of roped hydraulic lifts. This type of lifts mostly used for 2 to 3 floor buildings. Now here you can see the lift is going up with the help of hydraulic jack. Let's see now how this mechanism works. Here you can see a hydraulic jack resides in the hoistway between the rails. A pulley is attached to the top of the jack. Two hoisting cables tie things together. One end is attached to the cab, other end is tied to a fixed point at the base of the rails. The controller and hydraulic pump reside in a nearby machine room. As you can see, in this way, the pump moves the jack and pulley, and thus the rope moves the cabin up and down. This is how it works. Now let's see the application or uses of hydraulic lift. The hydraulic lifts are useful for mid-rise buildings from G+6, G+7. They could be widely used for villas, bungalows, independent houses. They have a height limit of 21 meters, above which it is not recommendable. There is a need of separate machine room for pump and controller. Due to these limitations, hydraulic is less used as compared to traction lifts. After this, let's see the mechanism and working of traction lift. Traction elevators or lifts are very common. You could see them in most of the buildings. It operates on a motor, counterweight and rope. An electric permanent magnet motor is used to move the rope to lift and lower the elevator car. Let's see the side section of it. You could see counterweights are used to offset the weight of the cab and load. allowing the system to work more efficiently. There is a motor at the top of the rail system. The ropes are attached to the motor through an axle. The counterweight is there to balance the cabin, and the whole system works with the help of motor. As the cable winds up, the cab moves upward. As it winds down, the cab moves downward. And in this way, the whole system works. So finally, talking about the applications or uses of traction lift. Traction lifts are usable for almost all the buildings, may it be low-rise or high-rise. It is hugely applicable as it has no restriction of height or sizes. Has option of machine room also. Machine room could be accommodated in the shaft, also make it machine room less. It is commonly used and so it has larger market share. So this is it about hydraulic and traction lift. Hope you get all the knowledge. If you have any questions, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.